Dear friends, today we will discuss some more examples of roots of complex numbers. Previously, we have done one example as well as the theory of roots of complex numbers, the general expressions, and all these things we have discussed in the part 1 lecture. Now it is part 2. The question is here, find all values of minus 1 whole power 1 by 6. So before starting this problem, just listen, students. Minus 1 can be written in polar form, that is cos pi plus iota sin pi. We know the value cos pi is equal to minus 1 and sin pi is 0. So this can be written in the form cos pi plus iota sin pi. So minus 1 can be written in a general form, that is cos 2m pi plus iota sin 2m pi plus pi. This is minus 1 representation, but in the question it is given we have to calculate the value minus 1 power 1 by 6. Therefore it is cos 2m plus 1 pi common नहीं गला ऊपर expression रो we take common pi, and here also iota sin 2m plus 1 pi whole power 1 by 6. Students, each and every step it is clear, no difficult step is here it is going on, it's only simple steps we are doing. So minus 1 power 1 by 6 can be written is 1 by 6 means 6 divide kariba by using De Moivre's theorem. It becomes cos 2m plus 1 pi by 6 plus iota sin bracket 2m plus 1 pi by 6. So then we have to take, as it is power is 1 by 6, so we have to take the value m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we will put in the above expression, the expression which is in the box. So the values are, when m is equal to, that is we will take 0, let the value is x1. In the left hand side I have not written m is equal to 0, but you think it is m is equal to 0 when we will substitute x1 is equal to that is cos m1 0, it will be cos pi by 6 plus iota sin pi by 6, and the value of cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2 and sin pi by 6 is 1 by 2, so it is written iota by 2. So here in the right hand side I have written for m is equal to 0. For x is equal to 2, for x2, that is when m is equal to 1. When m is equal to 1, we have cos 3 pi by 6 plus iota sin 3 pi by 6. That is, you check when we will substitute m is equal to 1, it is 3. So cos 3 pi by 6 plus iota sin 3 pi by 6 for m is equal to 1. And this value is 3 pi by 6, that is cos pi by 2 plus iota sin pi by 2. Just students, cos 3 pi by 6 is equal to pi by 2. So cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So we have only one value, that is iota, for m is equal to 1. Because cos pi by 2 is equal to 0. So for m is equal to 2, we will find the value, substitute there. For m is equal to 3, m is equal to 4, as well as m is equal to 5. Students, you have to put up to m is equal to 5, as we are getting 1 by 6th power or 1 by 6th power of minus 1. You just go through step by step, you will find all values. Here it's another question, find all values of 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 4. So students, here let 1 plus iota is equal to x plus iota y. Here x is r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Because all values should be represented in polar form. Then after polar form we may find all values of the complex numbers. So by comparing here we find that x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1, and here theta, that is argument, is tan inverse 1 by 1 pi by 4, and the value of r is equal to root 2. So 1 plus iota can be written in polar form, that is root 2 bracket cos pi by 4 plus iota sin pi by 4, and in a general expression it can be written as root 2 bracket cos 2m pi plus pi by 4 plus iota sin 2m pi plus pi by 4. So by taking LCM we have cos 8m pi plus pi divided by 4 plus iota sin 8m pi plus pi divided by 4. So students, we need 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 4. So taking 1 by 4 both side रे 1 by 4 नेले लेफ्ट हैंड साइड रे किसी चेंज नहीं, बट राइट हैंड साइड रे देखो 2 power root 2 can be written as 2 power 1 by 2 and here power is 1 by 4. So it is 2 power 1 by 8 and cos it is 8m pi plus pi divided by 16 plus iota sin 8m pi plus pi divided by 16 by using De Moivre's theorem. Students, look at the expression which is in the box. 1 plus iota whole power 1 by 4 is equal to 2 power 1 by 8 cos 8m pi plus pi divided by 16 plus iota sin 8m pi plus pi divided by 16. So again, as it is the 1 by 4th power, so substitute the value m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3 and we get the values. Put 0, 1, 2, 3 in the box. So first value is x1, it is 2 power 1 by 8. Then m जगह 0 substitute करें cos pi by 16 plus iota sin pi by 16. Then when m is equal to 1, it is giving the value of x2. So for m is equal to 0, the value is x1 here. For m is equal to 1, we find x2 is equal to this. And for m is equal to 3, we got x3 is equal to 2 1 by 8. Then the latter part you will solve, substituting m is equal to 3 and substituting m is equal to 4 in the given box, you will find the final result. Now students, will discuss another example. Using De Moivre's theorem, solve x power 7 minus 1 is equal to 0. So students, here x power 7 minus 1 is equal to 0 given. X power 7 can be written as 1. So 1 can be written in polar form cos 0 plus iota sin 0. In this type of a problem, especially in roots of a complex number, you have to express it in polar form. It is compulsory. After using polar form, after writing in polar form, then write the general expression. After general expression, then taking the power which is according to the question and then apply De Moivre's theorem. Then you will find all solutions. So in the similar way, on the same manner, x power 7 is equal to 1 can be written in polar form cos 0 plus iota sin 0. So x power 7 in general form, it is cos 2m pi plus 0, that is cos 2m pi plus iota sin 2m pi plus 0, that is iota sin 2m pi. And taking 7th root ଯେତେବେଳେ ଆମେ ନେବା ଲେଫ୍ଟ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ x ଆସିଯିବ, ରାଇଟ୍ ହ୍ୟାଣ୍ଡ ସାଇଡ଼୍ରେ cos 2m pi plus iota sin 2m pi whole power 1 by 7. Then using De Moivre's theorem, we find cos 2m pi plus 7 plus iota sin 2m pi plus 7. Cos 2m pi by 7 plus iota sin 2m pi by 7. So the general expression is written in the box. Then substitute m is equal to 0, you will find x1 cos 0 plus iota sin 0. M is equal to 1, we will find x2 cos 2 pi by 7 plus iota sin 2 pi by 7. And on same way, in similar manner, students, step by step you will substitute the value of m is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you will find x7 is equal to cos 12 pi by 7 plus iota sin 12 pi by 7. Do yourself. This is very simple calculation, not so difficult, so that each step you will solve, you will do it by yourself. Student, this is another type of question. Use De Moivre's theorem, solve the equation x power 7 plus x power 4 plus x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. So x power 7 plus x power 4, we can take common x power 4, we will get x cube plus 1. Then x cube plus 1 we can take plus 1 common, we will get x cube plus 1 in the bracket. So we have x4 plus 1 bracket x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. So this can be written in two parts, x4 plus 1 is equal to 0 or x cube plus 1 is equal to 0. So when x4 plus 1 is equal to 0, that means we found x4 is equal to minus 1 and here x cube is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 can be written in polar form cos pi plus iota sin pi. Students, look both sides. The left hand side x power 4 is equal to cos pi plus iota sin pi because it is also minus 1. And then the minus 1 can be written in polar form this way. Right hand side it is also in this way. minus 1 can be written as cos pi plus iota sin pi. Then go to your general expression. So general expression can be written as cos 2m pi plus iota sin 2m pi plus pi. And here in the right hand side it is cos 2m pi plus iota sin 2m pi plus pi. In the left hand side, taking 1 by 4th power, we'll find cos, that is students check it by using de Moivre's theorem. Final expression will be cos 2m plus 1 pi by 4 plus iota sin 2m plus 1 pi by 4. And in the right hand side it is cos 2m pi plus pi by 3 plus iota sin 2m pi plus pi by 3 as taking 1 by 3rd power. Students, step by step both sides solve kala pore we will find the general expression of left hand side as well as right hand side. Left hand side re extra general expression asela cos 2m plus 1 pi by 4 plus iota sin 2m plus 1 by pi by 4. In the right hand side we are getting cos 2m plus 1 pi by 3 plus iota sin 2m plus 1 pi by 3. For left hand side we will substitute. It is m is equal to 0, m is equal to 1, m is equal to 2, m is equal to 3 and as well as m is equal to 4. So we will find x1, x2, x3, x4. In the similar way, right hand side if we substitute x is equal to that is for m is equal to 0, we will find x1, x2, x3 and we will find this the solutions, that is the solutions of the above equation. Dear students, go through the solution step by step. It's so easy, not so difficult. Just put the trigonometric ratios values of different values, then you will find x1, x2, x3, x4 for left hand sides and here on in the right hand side also. Dear friends, today is this much. You go through the problems and if you have any doubt, comment, ask me through comment box. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that each of my videos you will get notification. Thank you. Bye bye. Jai Hind.